We have to do something.
He's gone.
Come on! We have to do something.
Hiccup, don't. He's gone. There's nothing we can do.
Messed up. I really messed up. And I'm not sure how to fix it.
Everything you did to protect that dragon and to protect all of us. Now the question isn't how you fix it. It's how we all fix it as a team.
If we go down, then we go down together.
Be watching and learning cause I show you how. Looking at me like you want my man. What the fuck?
To the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your.
They said, Rico, you so nasty. I said, thank you very much. He just want to eat me like some candy, but I'm not his buttercup.
What are you getting at, Vigo?
Do you really think, after all we've been through, I'd expose myself without some added protection?
You body like speaks to me. And I'm beating, this is what I say. Run away, baby. The fuck with my spell on you. You better dig.
Killing them, I've come to respect them as equals. You taught me that, Hiccup. That's the final irony, I suppose.
Vigo!
The end of the game.